Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ford's Tools Reviews. I'm Ford, and today we are going to be reviewing the Essentials Toolkit Adjustable Wrench. Now, this is found in the Essentials Toolkit Starter Kit. I'm going to tell you guys my likes, my dislikes, pros, cons, and my final conclusion of this tool. This is going to be fun. Now, let's start with the pros of this wrench. Well, as you know, it's a wrench. I mean, that's as generic as I can get. It's a wrench. And you guys know me, I love wrenches. I've got 2 sets of ratchets, for goodness sake. But this was the very first wrench that I personally ever have owned. Real wrench. And I still have it, and I've used it. And I've used and abused the hound out of this thing, and it still looks like the day it came out of the box. It's amazing. Now, I haven't used it as much as most mechanics would have used theirs. However, that is not saying that this is a bad wrench. The adjustment is really good on this wrench. That's one of the pros, but I just wanted to mention that the adjustment is really good on this wrench. It has a closed beak style. It's not a bad wrench. It's a good wrench. This wrench, I believe, is made out of chrome vanadium steel. It has a textured rubberized grip with a loop. It fits just barely over the palm of my hand, which is good when you're having to put down a lot of torque. In some cases, not every case. It's a very nice. I wouldn't use this as a primary wrench though. I would use this as a backup wrench. First, I would have some ratchets, a breaker bar, a breaker wrench, and then this little home repair wrench. But that's not saying it's a bad wrench. It's a really good wrench. Anyway, I mean, guys, there's not really much else to say. It's a wrench. So what rating would I give this? Well, I would give this a 5 out of 5 for what it is. Obviously, you guys can find better wrenches out there. I also like one more thing about this wrench. Kind of like the Harbor Freight tools that you buy over at Harbor Freight, the ratchets, you can rotate this to go in or out. I never knew that. So I guess Harbor Freight was trying to mimic, or Pittsburgh Tools at Harbor Freight was trying to mimic this kind of design in their ratchet spanner wrenches. So anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.